Hello, my name is Guy Selga. I am in Shiomi in Tokyo. Um, and why am I here? Well, I found the cheapest hotel near Tokyo Disneyland. This is not a clickbait. This is for real. I paid about an average of $54 a night and I'm only 10 minutes away. It's truly wild. Now we're going to set some expectations here. This is a low frills hotel, low on amenities. It's just the basics, very bare bones, but it's got everything you need. You're gonna like it. Let's give you a tour of the room and see what else it has to offer. Okay, so I'm in the room now, and I just want to give you an idea just how small this entry hallway is. It is about the size of the door. I'm leaning against the wall, I'm touching it, my arm's not even extended all the way. So that's what we're dealing with. So I'm gonna walk you through the room. Again, we're gonna set expectations here. This is a cheap hotel. It's small, no frills. It's cheap. That's what we're going for. All right, right here we have a very, very skinny closet. Some of the rooms have a bigger closet because I actually had one before that had a luggage rack inside it that fit my suitcase sideways. But still, it's a closet with some hangers and some slippers and whatnot. Next up is the bathroom. Very small, obviously, but it's good enough, you know. It's got a shampoo. It's got a shower. Can you tell I just got off a plane for 12 hours? It's got a shower with one of these handheld things here. It's got everything you need: body soap, conditioner, shampoo, amenity kit with comb, toothbrush, razors, everything. Got a couple of cups there, and we got the mirror. They only give you one towel, so make it last, but you can request your room to be clean. Now, I will say this. There's hardly any room, right? So I'm, 5'11", 180 pounds, 175 pounds, depending on the week, right? So if I sit on the toilet, right, this is where my legs are compared to the door. So it's a little cramped, but it gets the job done, I guess. So we're going into the main room now. What is this? A twin bed, double bed? I don't know what it is, but it's long enough for me being 5'11" to where my feet are like right here. So if you're any taller, your feet might be hanging off. You get what you pay for. It does have an air conditioning, which is much needed. I had to Google Translate all the controls for it, but after I did that, it works fine. TV with a bunch of on-demand movies and stuff, microwave, fridge. And something I really appreciate about this room being so cheap is that it's still pretty functional. So I work from home, I bring my laptop, I get some work done while I'm here. So I can sit here in a real chair and have plenty of desk space to do work. And it's just great, it's very nice. Pillows are fine. It's the typical Japanese kind of rough bed. You know, it's a little rough, right? It's not something us Americans are used to with our big plushy, soft mattresses and whatnot. Hair dryer, by the way, and some extension cords and stuff. Just wanted to hop on here too. There is a convenience store in the hotel next door, the APA, literally just like right next door, less than a 5-minute walk. Go there, stock up, very cheap, everything. I got 3 items. I got a large onigiri with salmon and this custard pudding cake, which looks delicious, and then a sparkling water with lemon. And this was all about $4, so super cheap. Go over there, grab your breakfast every day before you head to the parks, and very convenient. Anyway, that's it. That is the extent of this room. You have a lovely view of industrial area and another hotel which I also stayed at, which is also pretty cheap, the APA hotel over there. Yeah. I'll just give you a look back. No frills. No frills at all. There's not even a cheap painting of flowers or a meadow on the walls. Just to show you how close the train station is to the hotel, there it is right across the street. Not even a 5-minute walk, a couple minutes. Walk over to the train station, tap in, boom, then 10 minutes you're in Tokyo Disneyland. Okay, I wanted to show you it really is this close to Tokyo Disney Resort. As you can see here from the screenshot on Google Maps, It's a 8 or 9 minute train ride. You just literally walk across the street from the hotel to Shiomi Station, tap in, walk up one set of steps, go onto the train platform, get on the train. You go to Maihama Station, and then you can either jump on the resort line to Tokyo Disney Sea or Tokyo Disneyland, or make the short walk to Tokyo Disneyland. You're there. It's so convenient. I also wanted to point out, I don't know how many of you enjoy gyudon. You may know this chain in America called Yoshinoya, which obviously there's locations in Japan. So this is a chain that is similar called Sukiya, and it's just so delicious and cheap. And instead of $12 like it is in America, it's only $4 or $5. Anyway, I love it. I eat there multiple times during the trip. There's also a great sushi place near the hotel, and I think you're going to like this hotel. But let me know what you think, and let me know if you've found any other cheap hotels. And hey, maybe I'll check them out next time I'm in Tokyo and give them another review on this channel. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to leave a comment and subscribe.